It's your profession!
Matagumpay na nasimulan ng International Obstacle Race Course organizer na Spartan Race ang kanilang 2025 series matapos idaos ang 2 araw nitong kick-off sa KDR Adventure Camp sa Orani, Bataan nitong March 8 at 9. Kabilang sa mga challenges na nilahukan ng mga Spartan ang sprint na 5 km at mayroong 20 obstacles. Ang super category na merong 10 km na takbo at 25 obstacles, trail na 10 km at ang kids race. Kasabay ng kick-off ay nailunsad din ang debut ng Spartan Night Sprint dito sa Pilipinas. Ang Spartan Night Sprint ay ang 5 km challenge na mayroong 20 obstacle courses. Mas challenging ito sa mga atleta dahil mas limitado ang kanilang nakikita sa gabi. Sa regular naman na obstacle courses, siniguro ng mga kalahok na paghandaan ang matinding init. Pero ayon kay Mika De Hoya, ang race director ng Spartan Race Philippines, naging mas challenging ang sports event dahil sa naranasang pag-ulan.
For our racers, definitely they were expecting heat. They were all doing heat training, but suddenly it was raining, it was humid, so it was completely different. And whatever they expected, whatever easy, quote-unquote, easy course they expected was, their expectations were unmatched differently.
Para naman sa mga Filipino athlete na lumahok sa kick-off ng Spartan 2025 series, magandang venue ang KDR Adventure Camp dahil sa nature experience. Habang sinusubok ang kanilang katatagan sa mga matatarik na akyatin at mahabang trail, nakapalibot naman sa kanila ang natural na ganda ng kalikasan.
It's amazing. Yeah, yun yung masasabi ko na word kasi I've been racing in this area for like multiple times. All the K-Drag races and the Titan races, I've joined it. And this time, this is the Spartan races. They have the collaboration, which is a really good collaboration kasi naging yung level ng competition is tumaas.
Doing the trails here in KDR, mas na-amaze ulit ako yung terrain niya. The last time I went here, maganda pa rin yung terrain pero this time parang mas masaya kasi mas madami yung participants.
Maging ang foreigner na si Alexander na participant na rin sa ibang obstacle course sa Europe, sinabing naging magandang venue ng Spartan Race ang KDR Adventure Camp sa Orani, Bataan.
Yeah, a lot of the other venues that I've been, like they're just pretty basic, like maybe there's a lot of concrete around, it's a trail but it's not really in nature. This one you're really in nature, like mud and rocks and some rivers, so there was a bit of everything in this race.
Ang Spartan Philippines ay bahagi ng Global Spartan Race Series, isang endurance obstacle course racing brand na sumusubok sa lakas, bilis at mental resilience ng mga atleta.
Always expect a challenge. No Spartan race is the same, even if it's the same venue. We usually go back to a few venues that we have a good relationship with and that always welcome us over. So the one thing to remember is no race is the same.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.